What a huge savings on this baby girl value pack. You're getting 134 die cuts in this kit and 24 single-sided papers. Now, altogether, we're going to back out just one more second. Everything that you see here, you're going to get 2 of. So you're going to get double of what's sitting right here. So even if you're seeing 2 papers, you're really going to get 4. You're seeing 2 sheets of these die cuts, you're going to get 4. So everything here twice. Now let's put it all together and look at it quickly. 134 die cuts, so you'll get 4 sheets all together, but I'll show you the sheets that you're going to get. And all of these, they are not self-adhesive, but they are borders and tags that you can just pop out. They are ready to just pop out. They're perforated and ready to go. You can write on these, you can stamp on these. These are great for new babies, for tiny children even, I think. Oh no, all the way up to 1 year. So up to toddler. And daddy and me, mommy and me, tags, numbers. You can use this for journaling in a baby book. I think that would be a great idea. And then more die cuts. Our little girl, it's a girl, we've got words, we've got borders. So these are going to be super useful for all of your baby decorations. I can even see you putting this on a calendar as the months go by. And then you're going to get 24 12-inch by 12-inch papers with these pretty little, it's kind of hard to see this, but really pretty designs. So flowers and dots on a gingham background. That's pretty. We've got a couple of those. So you'll get 4, remember, double of everything you see. A pretty pastel purple texture, a pink texture. We've got a yellow in that pretty gingham. Looks like stripes, but it really, no, it is stripes. It's stripes with dots. And then you've got some border pieces. So these are going to be great for scrapbooking, but also for quick card making. And I like the idea of using these for planners, using them for calendars, for baby books. These are going to be just wonderful for all of your baby girl needs. If you know someone who's going to be having one, this is a great value.